Did you just notice we have the same day off together?
Wow. We should do something.
Mm-hmm.
How about the water park?
I'd have to change clothes.
And put on sunscreen.
Hey, I've got this. Splash pad. Hey, it worked.
We're here.
I'm already dressed.
And the sunscreen's on.
Water park, let's go.
Locker Tetris, we win. Yeah.
We are here at the Boardwalk Southwest Grill, which has open picnic table seating with some really nice big blue umbrellas over quite a lot of the table space. You go through a cafeteria line first. And the main thing here is customizable bowls. So you can get on chips, rice. We ended up getting both. You can pick what goes on. There's a menu with things you could pick. There's salsa, there's corn. I think you can get black beans as well. There were a few side items that you could pick from on the counter, like some mozzarella sticks.
French fries.
There's some desserts, which I don't think we looked at all. And
I eyed them. Maybe we'll get them later.
Guys, it's really nice to be eating here with you today and be at the water park, but do you know who else loves cheese sticks? Becca loves cheese sticks.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. She's never been to the water park.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I bet you I can fix that. Give me a second.
Okay.
Hey, Becca, welcome.
Oh, thank you. Cheese sticks.
Cheese sticks. So review of cheese sticks. They're not stringy, but I still think they're well cooked. Mm-hmm. We got a good amount of sauce. Thoughts on nachos too?
Oh, nachos are really good.
Mm-hmm. And they give you a good portion.
They really did.
Yeah, that's a good amount of food for definitely one person. Shareable for two. A good snack for four, right?
Right.
Which is what we're doing here at the park. Woohoo!
What do you think? Like,
so you ask them for which things and then they just dump them onto the chips?
yeah, so you do is you say you want chips, and you tell them your meat, and you tell them if you want rice, and they put that on there, and then you get all the kinds of cheeses. So this has two kinds of cheese. It has both shredded cheese and that awesome nacho cheese.
So I haven't had these yet this season. It's been a couple of years since I've had these. What are the meat choices now? Pulled pork.
Uh-huh. Chicken.
Okay, chicken. There was a third one.
Did you just have beans? You could vegetarian, not
You
meat?
could do, I think it was like proteins. So it was chicken, pork, and something else. So ground beef is not an option.
It wasn't
right
beef.
now.
Yeah, ground beef wasn't an option, I noticed.
Interesting. I wonder if that's just today or if that's always.
It looked like it on the sideboard. So it's probably the signboard. So it's probably like that for the whole season, I would guess.
Okay. This chip is calling my name. I
Go
hope
for
that's
it.
okay.
Do it. You won't.
I'm gonna go ahead and say that I like this pulled pork. At some point, it occurred to me that I think what we're dealing with here is it's like your middle school cafeteria manager went to Chipotle for the first time and was really impressed with like what's going on at Chipotle, and then he came back to the middle school cafeteria and he was like, wait a minute, we can do this here. We've got the yellow corn circle chips. We've got rice. We've got corn from a can. We've got some red salsa from a can. We've got some nice green lettuce. We can totally do what Chipotle does, but we can... And I say that not as a criticism, but more to like frame your expectations, because it's not a super like crafted kind of thing, but it is park food that gives you the protein that your tummy needs in a not super deep fried way, and you can customize and pick it. And I think there's totally room for this.
I nominate the cheese sticks for most likely to satisfy my craving for cheese this early in the day.
I would also like to say most likely to add on to your order in line, because that's what we did, because they looked good.
You're really good at this.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, come on, really, who wants sour cream? The whole notion of it's sour cream. It's been soured.
Gross.
So, it would be...
Put it in the comments. What do you think? Sour cream? No sour cream.
No.
Yes.
I mean, the context is nachos. I mean, in certain contexts, the answer would always be no.
Okay.
Good luck. We're doing it.
Is that awesome, right?
That was great.
Okay. Sail out.
We followed the sign for boba beverages to, what is this, Stop Refreshments?
Stop Refreshments.
Stop Refreshments. They're beautiful on the sign. I ordered the green one because it's lemonade, and it's not quite as green when it happens. It's kind of weirdly brown, but am I supposed to drink it and taste it? Okay, let's do it. Oh, okay. The strawberry popping pearls are less dense than the one at the boba place I usually go to, and so they're so light and fluffy. That was fun.
That's very nice.
It tastes kind of like candy.
I would definitely order this again.
Yeah, so it kind of, the strawberry pearls and the lemonade kind of go together to like a pink lemonade feel a little bit.
It definitely has it's very refreshing though. It doesn't have the sourness or the dryness that lemonade can leave your mouth. It kind of feels like it's much more. Yeah, it feels refreshing.
Cool. I like it.
It's very
I'm going
good.
to go enjoy the rest of it.
Yeah.
The sign at time of filming, this is $8.99 plus the food surcharge, I believe.
Yep. And then we had a discount for a membership, so
okay.
we got a good price on it.
At some point we'll do math.
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't do math on camera. Sorry.
Nope.
We don't do math and pep.
That was amazing. That was awesome.
Thank you.
That's really hot in there.
It's very hot in there.
Thank you.
Thank you. I need a minute, but I'll get up.
You okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's try this pork pizza.
Pork
It's
pizza.
so it's a plain cheese pizza with tomato sauce on a pizza dough.
Cheers. Cheers. Immediate reaction, I'm impressed by the amount of cheese.
I am not as disappointed as I thought I'd be. High praise. I mean, this is still, it's not crusty at all. Like it is, there's some.
It's got more of a flatbread. It's not super crunchy, but it is dense and not the curly kind of weird part pizza that people malign so much.
Yeah, it looks like Becca's though is like, her cheese is like undercooked. You can still see the strands of cheese.
Oh.
Whereas like mine is like very brown.
It's okay.
So the doneness of the pizza is not that, consistent, but I think it's because we're doing it in batches. Weird little rectangle pizza though. But if you have two kids that are under the age of 7, they could probably knock one of these out together. So this is a good option. With our discount, I think it was around $12, but without the discount, it's a few dollars more than that. So in all reality, it's not the worst option. And Launchpad tends to be open most days, I find, whereas Cosmic Cafe, which we'll be talking about in a little bit, they're never open, and somehow they're open today. So I'm kind of excited about that. So.
Observations? Better than I thought it was going to be. So I'm the one who was like, let's try pizza, because for me, nothing screams water park, park day, than pizza, because that's what I did as a kid. I grew up next to going to Darien Lake, aka one of the Six Flags. They change every now and then, whether they're a Six Flags or not, and we used to get a lot of pizza. And I would say that this has a little bit more oompier of a crust than I remember as a kid, because I thought my like nomination was going to be like most like nostalgia invoking, but I just think it's a good value. It's going to fill you up. I mean, and 4 of us split that, and I still feel like I got a good amount of pizza.
Yeah, I think all reality is, you know, I may have judged harshly to begin with, but I think that
It feels so rude to say not unpleasant, but it's a choice. Like, my tummy is fuller, so it's fine.
I would say that if I was a 10-year-old kid, I would have thought that pizza was amazing, and then I got my own pizza box. I think the thing that's awesome about this is you get it in an actual box. It's not a tray, it's not a plate, it's a box that you can stack and carry through the park.
That's true. You could take it, you can eat it all, and
Yeah.
I don't think it would fit in our locker.
No, I don't think it would fit in our locker on an edge. And you get pizza grease everywhere. And, no,
But if you're a parent that's staying dry for the day and guarding the like wagon,
right. But I think the pizza is a really good. I think this pizza is actually a pretty decent option, and they actually had some other options as well. They had a pepperoni pizza as well, and then there was some
Several flavors of panini choices.
Yeah.
yeah, if I come back again, I think the pesto sounded interesting.
And they've actually changed this restaurant up. It used to be a screen order, where you ordered what you wanted on the screen and with different toppings and like that. And it looks like they've done away with that, and it's now just grab and go, which I think it speeds things up because you're just grabbing.
I think so. Yeah, there really wasn't a line.
There are 6 hot options. There are 4 paninis, and there are 2 pizzas, and that is what you get. And there's a refrigerator case. I will say though, the refrigerator case did not seem that refrigerated, so be cautious there, folks.
Hey guys, we're waiting for our food at Cosmic Cafe, and this I don't think I've ever been here when it's actually open. I think it's a smaller stand that's only open seasonally as necessary. So Cosmic Cafe has, today at least, they've got funnel cakes, so plain fudge sauce and strawberry glaze are the 3 choices. They have chicken tenders and then a kid's chicken nugget and fries meal. For sides, they've got fries, they have fried pickles, and they have mozzarella sticks, and then I think they have a cupcake option as well. So we've gone with funnel cake. This just in from Splash Scorecard.
Oh yeah.
This is now my microphone.
So excited.
Yes.
First reaction, sir. What do you think about the funnel cake?
It's good. Really good.
Perfect. Thank you for this information. Coming to you live from, what restaurant are we next to?
This is Launchpad Cafe.
Coming to you live from Launchpad Cafe. The reaction of funnel cake.
Have you had this? Have you had the phone?
I can't remember ever having a
So
funnel cake
folks at
before.
home, Rebecca comes from an elephant ear only family and has never had a funnel cake. So we're also excited to hear her reaction. And from 10-4, aka me, I don't know that I've ever had one of these either. So this is a learning and growing day for all of us. So far, my observation is it's messy.
Use your fingers.
Yeah. This from the middle.
What do you think?
Cheers. Cheers. I think the chocolate to dough ratio is pretty good.
Yeah.
What was it? Whipped cream in the center?
Yep.
Okay.
I feel like we maybe should have eaten that first for maximum crisp.
That's fine.
But I do think that the really saucy part is sort of holding some level of crisp even a few minutes later after it's been sitting here and melding. Yeah.
It just reminds me of the county fair as a kid, and it's excellent. And it is way too hot to be eating this much sugar, and I don't care.
Yeah, I see it.
I give up on propriety.
Perfect.
I'm vibing to
I think I'm still on Team Elephant Ear, but this was still really yummy. And just the amount of fudge that they put on it was fantastic.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that. Okay, so it sounds like this meal, the pizza and the funnel cake, we nominated all together as most nostalgic. I just got off Vantage Point, and the ride was awesome. It definitely was slightly terrifying because you're suspended in the middle of the air with nothing happening. Like before you hit the water, the ground drops off, and for a few minutes you just feel weightless in the most terrifying, awesome way. But I was really disoriented by the time I got to the top of the tower, though, because you can't wear water shoes or a shirt or hat or glasses, anything like that on there. But most of the pathway up to the slide is bare concrete. There's hardly any shade, no misters, and the concrete is super hot. It singed my feet. I feel like I stuck my feet on my Blackstone griddle, and my feet are like medium rarer now, you know, so that's definitely gonna leave a mark. If it's aloe on the soles of my feet when I get home. I'm glad that was one of the last things we're doing today. We're headed off to Hubba Hubba Highway next to cool off for a bit. So if you want to do Vantage Point, go for it. It's fun. Hey, I think we should get out.
No! One more lap! More lap, Dad!
Okay, one more lap. Then we're going home.
Coming to you live after a day at the water park. Hey Becca, it's your first day here. How do you feel?
I really enjoyed myself, like nothing disappointed.
I had a good time. I was pleasantly surprised by the pizza, actually, and I liked my popping pearl drink. That was fun too.
Yeah, we had some great nachos. We had some awesome funnel cake. I got medium rare feet on Vantage Point. That concrete is hot, folks. Wear your shoes when you can. And overall, I think it was still a great day. Anything else?
I think that's it.
All right, well, let's go.
Wait, no, I do have something. If this video was interesting or helpful to you in any way, please click on the thumbs up sign down below and show the algorithm and the Splashpad fam that this is content that you want more of.
Something like that. Oh,
It
Hubba
was
Hubba
a
Highway.
jam-packed day.
It was a jam-packed day. So, thank you all for joining us here at Water Country USA.